Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here today. Today is kind of a collective haul of beauty products. So I have hair care, skin care, body care, just kind of a wide range of things that I've gotten over several months' time. So it's not a lot when you think about it. If you think about how long I've gotten it, probably since April, May. So several months anyway. We're gonna start with Ulta. So I used my birthday coupon, the $10 off that I think you get when you're platinum. I know for sure you get it for your, I'm diamond, but they send you a $10 off and then a free gift. So what I got for my $10 off is I picked up a Tree Hut scrub because I saw this on the shelf and I thought that sounds so good. It is cotton candy scent, and I don't know if you can tell, but it looks almost like it kind of has a sheen to it like cotton candy does. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it at all. It's just a very light kind of sugary scent, but I thought that would be fun. And then I also got some hair clips because I like to pin my hair over here on the side. So I thought I'd pick these up. So I used my $10 off for those. And then my birthday gift for the month was this Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I could have chosen, like, there's a couple other things. One was like a black eyeliner. Have no use for that, even if it's a full size from Clinique. And then the other was like a dry shampoo, I think. So this was what I chose. It's not exactly like something I'm super excited about, but I'm pretty sure I've used it before and it was fine. So if not, it'll be a nice gift. I'm going to go back through and look at some of my sample Saturdays and see what I said about this because I don't remember at this point. Next, I want to show you some samples that I got from Nordstrom. I did get one thing from the Nordstrom sale. Actually, my mom got it for me because she had like $30 in Nordstrom notes and had access to the sale early, which was crazy. So you'll see that that's going to be in a perfume haul at some point. But they had a sample bag that I got, and these were in a bag, and each one of these was individually wrapped in plastic and then also like sent separately from the item that she ordered for me, which is crazy. Like, this is so much waste. This is an eye and lip cream from Shiseido. I don't want to deal with trying to pull them out at the moment. A creamy eye treatment from Kiehl's. And then this one is from Sicily. This is a mask cream. Black Rose Cream Mask. So that sounds kind of nice, but I was like shocked at the waste for this. There's two more perfumes. I put those in the perfume video though. All right, for my birthday, I did one order online from Sephora because the thing I was kind of interested in the most was the makeup from Rare Beauty, which will be in a makeup haul. And I decided it was online only, and the other things I weren't as interested in. So I ordered this guy. This was like on sale. I don't remember how much it was. It was about $10 though. So it's the Beauty Pop set, and you do get stickers with it, which I thought was interesting. And then a little card that tells you everything that's in it. And then inside, this is just what it looks like. So what you got is an apple cider vinegar hair mask from Hue, DP Hue. You're supposed to leave this on 3 to 20 minutes. Probably I'm going to pass that along because it says it's good for color treated hair, and I don't have color treated hair. Clarifying cleanser from Murad. I really like this. This is a cleanser that I've used quite a bit. A Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I hadn't tried my scrub yet. If you haven't watched my sample Saturday where I was like, what is this? I'll have it linked up above. But yeah, this one, I don't know what I think about that one at the moment. Clean Reserve. This is an Aqua Neroli. This was part of the reason why I was like, well, this looks like a pretty good one. Just a little one. This is about the same size that I have in Radiant Nectar. I was like, the one that everybody likes. There are two more items that came in this as well. So we have Shani Darden, a retinol reform. I love retinol, so I'm excited about that. And then this is a Huda Beauty lip balm, and I'm going to open this one because I'm really curious about it. So this is a silk balm, and it's in the shade Blush. Oh, okay. It's basically, it's like a lip gloss kind of, but a balm texture. Very interesting. I'm excited. I really like almost everything I've tried from Huda. So not too bad for, I think it was 10 or 12. And I'm pretty sure it was on sale. It might have been 8, to be honest, at this point. I don't remember. I was at the grocery store, and Kroger brands tend to do like buy 5 of an item, save $1 on each one of the items. And I needed mouthwash, and mouthwash was part of that, but they only had 2 bottles of it. And I was like, not that I would buy 5 bottles of mouthwash. So I got a shampoo and conditioner, and then got a bag of coffee. That was the last one to get the $1 off. But I thought this sounded interesting. This is the Garnier Whole Blends. It's refreshing coconut water and aloe vera extracts. Thought it would be kind of good to try. Sounded really nice and tropical. They were like, I don't know, $2.99 with the discount. Not too bad. And I need shampoo. Like, I'm going to be probably using these very shortly. So this was a while ago. I found this at Marshall's, and I thought, wow, this looks really interesting. It is a strawberry milk body cleanser from Korea, and it was $5.99. Luckily, it has the price. Thank goodness. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to try this. The packaging was super cute. I love strawberries, so I was very excited to try the strawberry. So yeah, I picked that guy up. This was April or May though when I got this. So it's been a while. I don't know if they still have it there. Another older purchase was at Costco. This was $9.97 on clearance. So anytime you see a 97 or an 00, that means that they're clearing them out at Costco. And this is the Vitamin C Ester Cleansing Citrus Brightening Cleanser, 2 sizes from Perricone MD. Really great price for that. So I'm excited to open those at some point. I don't really need a cleanser, but it was such a good deal. Target has kind of become a go-to for me for things that I need to replenish, because I do have a Target card, and right at the moment that's been a lifesaver. So my feet have been so bad. I've talked about that, I think, in my empties video. So I decided to get a couple foot masks. This is Nails Inc. Thirsty Feet. It's a deep moisture foot mask, and this one is Cabela Professional Intensive Foot Soak Mask. Just trying to get through the summer and the hot weather before I start going back to my TonyMoly, like the baby foot one, because those ones they work really well, but I peel for like 2 weeks and can't wear any sandals. This one I actually broke down and used last night because I didn't have any more foot masks to use. So this is the TonyMoly I'm Lovely Peach foot mask. This smelled really nice. I don't know how long lasting the results will be, so I will talk about that in an empties video, but I did like this one. Yeah, it smells lovely. They're about the same price as you would pay at Target for the other brands. Okay, this is another one I've had for quite a while, and this is Lauren Conrad Beauty, and I don't even know if you can get this at Kohl's now, because Kohl's has started with Sephora, and it's just a big old mess right at the moment, to be honest. Because I was looking for some stuff and they didn't have it, and I don't know, the Kohl's I went to recently was just empty. So in here there are 3 body creams. You have Rose, Sweet Tuberose, and Amber. This was like 40% off of the 25, so it was very discounted, and I wanted to try most of the scents. I think I can't remember if there was 4 scents or not, but I'm really excited to try the Tuberose because I have really come to like Tuberose scents. I posted about this on Instagram not too long ago. Redeemed points. No, I didn't redeem points. I used my Ulta card. So I posted about this on Instagram not too long ago. This is the Gilmore Girls and Ulta Beauty nail polish set. I saw this and I knew I needed it right away. I was so excited. It's pretty beat up, unfortunately, and if you look at inside, there's all this smudging and stuff, which was disappointing. I'm not planning really to use this. This is just going to go right now in my display case because I'm trying to declutter some nail polishes as it is. That's why you're seeing multicolored fingernails all the time, because I'm trying out 2 polishes at a time. But yeah, I was hoping for better quality. This is not the same quality as the Harry Potter sets that they did last year, and I was hoping that it would be. So a little bummed by this, but still, I still might get another piece from the collection if they are around for a little bit. These scrunchies were on clearance at Target, and I thought they looked really nice. They were $2.99 for 3 of them. They're like a t-shirt material, so thought I would pick them up because I love scrunchies. I use them all the time at home. I don't really like go out in the world with a scrunchie on. I know that's like a thing now, but always can use more scrunchies because they eventually give out. Some sheet masks from Sephora. I probably got these to get like a free gift or something. I don't know. I have 2 of the watermelon under eye masks, and I was using under eye masks quite a bit for a while, and then I kind of got out of the habit and I want to get back into it. So I have those, and then I have 2 more masks. These are the old school ones, and I still like this one. I don't like the newer formula that they've done with some of them. So I have Pearl and I have Pineapple. I'm excited to try both of the, well, I've tried both of them, but it's been a while, so excited to have more sheet masks. Got a couple of different acne patches at Target. I think they were about $7 each, so I thought I would try them out. So this first one is the Mighty Patch by Hero Cosmetics, and then this one is from Revolution, and these have salicylic acid. These are hydrocolloid. Thought I would try them out because they're definitely cheaper than the Peter Thomas Roth ones that are kind of my go-tos. More under eye masks. I got these because they were like a really great deal at Sephora. This is the Coach collection. The packaging is gorgeous. Like, this is definitely a box that I will keep afterwards because it's cool looking. Flattened, of course. Like, I don't leave them just empty random boxes around. That would be weird. Then I think this was like I needed $1 more or something, so I picked up these and I haven't tried them yet. It is the Sephora 1-minute face masks. They're like little sheet masks that are supposed to last for just a minute. 14 masks. They're enriched with Lotus, and I like Lotus from what I've tried from them before, so thought I'd pick them up. It was like $2 for this set of them. Really cheap. This one I found at Walmart, and I'm very excited about because I heard Simply Shaughnessy talk about it, and I thought I have to find it. So this is from Bodycology, the Watermelon Splash Body Spray. Smells really good. It smells like watermelon, like an artificial watermelon, but not like a sour artificial watermelon, if that makes sense. It smells nice. The packaging is kind of cheap, and I had to search to find one that actually had like the top on it, which is something that I really wanted because I like pretty things. A couple of random samples while we're here. I got 2 of the Balm Dia Bright Cream from Sol de Janeiro. I'm excited to try this. I like the scent. I have the body spray in this, so I'm excited to try this cream. Probably won't buy the cream unless it goes like super on sale because it's really expensive, but excited to have samples of it. Prescription use Instant Erase Eye Serum. That's like one from Fragrance Net. Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. Shampoo and conditioner from Better Not Younger. I'm excited about these because I got those before and I really liked them. Then I got this one from Beautylish, and this is the Co Texturizing Shampoo. So excited to try this. Always will take a shampoo sample. Like, that's something super practical. Got 2 pretty big and cool free gifts, which I'll show you in a second. But the last thing that I purchased is from Fresh. This is the Sugar Peach lip balm. I've heard good things about these, and they were like half price at Sephora. It smells like peach. It smells really, really nice. So it's a much thinner container than I thought it was. Like, it's really interesting, the size. I don't have anything like it anyway. So excited to try that. All right, gifts with purchase from Ulta. This first one was like a mystery card holder set, and I'm shocked at what's in here. When I pulled it out, I was like, are you kidding me? So the first thing in here is a conditioner from Pureology. Always will use hair care. That's definitely something that I will use. Then we have It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is a really good moisturizer. I do enjoy this one a lot. Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. I haven't tried that, but that sounds really interesting. From Philosophy, this is the Facial Serum Roller Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix. This, I find the sample is really worthless because it's supposed to be like that you roll it on your skin, but you don't get that with the little tiny sample. This is an invigorating body lotion with mint. It does have peppermint oil in it, so I'm probably going to pass that one along because that makes me a little nervous. This though, oh my gosh. This is the Beauty Blender Redo Set and Refresh Spray. This is a full size product that was included. Oh my gosh. It's like oval shaped. Not expecting that at all. So you're supposed to shake it so the two faces combine. So it's probably like a, oh wow, this is 2-lid contraption. First got some little dots on my skin, but then second one had a nice like even mist. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Feels nice on the skin. We'll see how it, see if you can tell a difference. Probably not, but I will take a setting spray. I'm excited about that. Last one is like a hair care sampler. Got a card, which I guess goes with this. This is a Nourishing Mask. Leave on for 5 minutes. Probably won't use that. Then we have a Silkening Oil Foam. What on earth is that? I don't know. I've never heard of a Silkening Oil Foam. It's from Aquage. Very interesting. From Matrix, this is, no, it's not Matrix. It's Rusk Pure Mist. It is Native Fig shampoo and conditioner. Then we have from Living Proof, this is the Curl Diviner for curls. We have a Pure Volume conditioner from Pureology. We have another Pureology. This is the Hydrate shampoo, so that actually goes with the conditioner that I got in the other bag. And then this is a matte clay, so it's like a texture like styler thing. Yeah, lots of interesting things. All right, that's it for this haul. I'm not sure when you'll see another haul. I do have a perfume. I'm trying to like spread out everything anyway. Let me know if you've gotten anything recently that has been interesting or something that you think I should check out. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.